Are you looking for the ideal clamps for your DIY or woodworking projects but don't know which ones to choose? Well, you're in the right place, because that's exactly what we're going to explore together. Whether you're an occasional DIYer or a professional, it's essential to choose clamps that are sturdy, easy to use, and suited to your needs. We've tested and compared several models to present you with the top 3 in terms of strength, versatility, and value for money. You'll find links to these products in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips. Here are the top 3 clamps. Let's get started. First, the Amazon Basics 6-piece clamp set is a practical and versatile tool for DIY projects. It includes 2 clamps measuring 4 inches and 4 clamps measuring 6 inches, offering clamping forces of 22 pounds and 100 pounds, respectively. Made from durable nylon with tempered steel bars, these clamps resist bending and ensure a firm grip. The non-marring pads protect surfaces from damage, while the one-handed trigger allows for instant release. Ideal for clamping small pieces or working in tight spaces, this set is perfect for occasional DIYers or professionals. Compact and easy to use, it's a must-have for any workshop. Next, the Jorgensen clamps are designed for demanding tasks, with a maximum clamping force of 600 pounds and a jaw opening of 300 millimeters. Made from ductile iron and C45 steel, they offer exceptional shock resistance and increased durability. The quick release mechanism allows for simple and efficient adjustment and locking. The nylon pads protect surfaces, while the ergonomic TPR handle provides a comfortable grip and superior torque. With their dual anti-slip grooves, these clamps maintain constant pressure, ideal for assemblies, repairs, or woodworking projects. A robust and reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Finally, the Workpro 2-piece one-handed clamp set combines blackened steel and reinforced nylon for optimal durability and rust resistance. With a maximum clamping force of 150 pounds and a spread range of 135 to 285 millimeters, these clamps are perfect for precise fastening. The dual-purpose design allows them to be converted into spreaders by pressing a red button, offering increased versatility. The nylon pads protect surfaces, while the ergonomic handles ensure comfortable and intuitive use. Ideal for assembling, disassembling, or repairing wooden pieces or furniture, this set is an excellent choice for DIYers and professionals alike. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.